Welcome back to Thai Caliente. Today we're making another Thai dish with seafood. And in Thai, what is it called, Mom?
Pad cha.
Pad cha. So the translation, there's a couple different translations, but it was a sizzling, spicy seafood stir fry. But basically it's a mix of seafood, some basil, was it finger root?
Yeah, finger root.
Finger root and some young peppercorns, and then we added basil, bamboo, onion, lots of Thai peppers, and garlic. So it's a really fresh and flavorful dish. And also some makut, lime leaves. So we're gonna show you how to make this dish right now. So here I have about 15 cloves of garlic and 12 Thai bird's eye pepper. This is pretty spicy. I'm just adding it to a food chopper. I think this is the easiest way to do it to get everything nice and ground up. You can also do a mortar and pestle and just kind of pound the garlic and the Thai peppers together. It's just as easy in the food chopper. So these are the young green peppercorns. You can find them at an Asian market, or I will link them on Amazon. And then this is the finger root or gracha, which is going to give the dish all the flavor. Again, I'll link it on Amazon, or you can find it at a store. And then this is some sliced bamboo just from a can. Then I also have some white onion that I've just thinly sliced. And here we have some fresh Thai basil leaves. So for the vegetables, I'm doing some baby carrots that I've just sliced, some more peppers, and some makut lime leaves. Those peppers aren't as spicy. And then for the seafood, I have some shrimp, some shelled mussels, and some cooked squid or cuttlefish. So for the sauce, we are going to do 3 tablespoons of oyster sauce. And then 2 tablespoons of Golden Mountain soy sauce. If you don't have Golden Mountain, then you can substitute regular soy sauce or low sodium soy sauce. Then 1 teaspoon of Thai fish sauce, 1 teaspoon of sweet soy sauce, and 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce. So go ahead and give that a mix and set it aside. So in your skillet, add some oil, and then this is the crushed up garlic and Thai peppers. And you want to just give that a stir until it starts getting nice and fragrant. Trust me, you're going to start coughing. And then go ahead and cook the shrimp, since this is the only protein that's not cooked yet. Flip it over, and then we're going to add the remaining protein, which is the cuttlefish or squid, along with the mussels. Both of those are already cooked, so we don't need to cook those as long as we need to cook the shrimp. So give that a good mix, and then now we're going to add the sauce that we just combined together. Don't throw that bowl away. We're going to add some water later, so just set that aside. So give everything a stir to coat, and now we're going to start adding the vegetables. I just did the bamboo right now, and then now we're going to add the carrots along with the Thai lime leaves and the sliced peppers, and then the green peppercorns. You can kind of leave them like in big chunks, and then they'll just kind of break apart as you're stir frying it. Give that a good toss, and then we're going to add the finger root or the gracha. Add that all in there. So you can see everything is kind of cooked down. I'm going to add the onions just so that they can still have some crunch. And then I added 4 tablespoons of water to that bowl that had the sauce in it. And finally, we're going to turn off the heat and then add the Thai basil leaves. So at this point, you want to taste it and see if it needs any extra seasoning. This right here was perfect. And then we're just going to add a little bit of crushed black pepper. And the Cha Talay is done. Serve it nice and warm with some steamed jasmine rice, and it is delicious. Now for the best part, the taste test. So we're gonna try it. It smells really good, really spicy. Lots of fresh vegetables.
It's very good.
It's delicious. And this is some cuttlefish.
Mussel.
Very tender. I hope you guys give this dish a try. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye.